Hey there, creators and innovators. Welcome back to my channel. If you're passionate about bringing your ideas to life and diving into the world of 3D printing, you're in for a treat. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 5 3D printers of 2023. Get ready to unleash your creativity and experience the wonders of additive manufacturing. You can find all the links to these incredible 3D printers in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my future 3D printing adventures. Let's dive into the world of limitless possibilities. Starting at number 5, Tronxy VO600/X5 SAW 3D Printer. The Tronxy VO600/X5 SAW 3D Printer is a feature-rich and reliable machine that offers a large print size of 600x600x600 nm, making it suitable for creating large-scale models or printing multiple smaller objects simultaneously. Operating on FEM technology, this printer supports a wide range of filaments such as PLA, ABS, HIPS, wood, PT5, and PU. The nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm ensures detailed and precise prints, while the slice software compatibility with Repetier Host and Cura allows for seamless model preparation. With a printing speed of 100 mm/s and a color print speed ranging from 20 mm/s to 100 mm/s, the VO600/X5 SA offers efficient and timely printing results. The printer's auto-leveling feature ensures a hassle-free printing experience by automatically calibrating the print bed. The Tronxy VO600/X5 SAW is equipped with a reliable AC110/220/24 360 W power supply, providing stable and consistent performance. The printer offers convenient connectivity through its USB interface, allowing for easy file transfer and control. Whether you're a hobbyist, artist, or professional, the Tronxy VO600/X5 SAW 3D printer offers the versatility and reliability you need. Its large print size, compatibility with various filaments, and user-friendly features make it a suitable choice for a wide range of applications. At number 4, Kingroon Coupe 3's 3D printer. The Kingroon Coupe 3's 3D printer is a compact and reliable machine that offers high-quality printing for both beginners and enthusiasts. With a maximum print size of 180x180x180 nm, this printer provides a decent build volume for various projects. Operating on FEM technology, the Coupe 3 supports multiple filaments, including PLA, wood, and PU, allowing you to explore different materials for your prints. The printer comes with a standard nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm and a precision of ±0.1 mm, ensuring accurate and detailed prints. Featuring a 2.4-inch touchscreen interface, the Coupe 3 offers a user-friendly experience, allowing for easy navigation and control. It is compatible with slicing software like Cura, Repetier Host, and Simplify 3D, enabling efficient preparation of your models for printing. The printer has a maximum printing speed of 110 mm/s and a working speed of 150 mm/s, ensuring fast and efficient printing results. It supports multiple operating systems, including Win 7.10, macOS, and Linux, offering flexibility in compatibility. The Coupe 3 comes with a 24V15, a 360 W power supply, providing stable and reliable performance throughout your printing sessions. The printer's ability to resume printing after a power outage ensures that your prints are not interrupted. In conclusion, the Kingroon Coupe 3's 3D printer is a compact and user-friendly option for those looking to explore the world of 3D printing. With its reliable performance, compatibility with various filaments, and convenient features, it offers a great value for beginners and enthusiasts alike. At number 3, Zonastar 3D Printer. The Zonastar 3D printer is a reliable and user-friendly printer suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It offers a maximum print size of 300x300x400 nm, allowing you to create larger models or print multiple smaller models in a single job. Operating on FEM technology, this printer supports various filaments, including PLA, ABS, ASA, PEC, and more. The nozzle diameter of 0.4 millimeters and precision of 0.01 millimeters ensure accurate and detailed prints. With a maximum printing speed of 120 millimeters / is and a working speed of 120 millimeters / the ZonaStar printer provides efficient and timely results. The Slice software compatibility with Prusa Slicer and Cura enables easy preparation of your 3D models for printing. The printer supports multiple operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux, ensuring compatibility with different setups. It has an intuitive interface and an interface type for convenient printing. The ZonaStar 3D printer features a robust power supply of 360/D24V, providing stable and reliable performance. The printer's power and bed temperature capacities of 260 degrees Celsius and 115 degrees Celsius respectively allow for versatile printing with different filament materials. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or professional, the ZonaStar 3D printer offers a reliable and versatile solution. Its ease of use, compatibility with multiple filaments, and spacious print volume make it suitable for a variety of applications. At number 2, Elegoo Saturn 2 3D printer. The Elegoo Saturn 2 3D printer is a professional-grade machine that offers high-resolution printing with exceptional accuracy. With its XI resolution of 0.0285 millimeters and Z-axis accuracy of 0.125 millimeters, this printer delivers stunning details and smooth surfaces. Operating on SLA photocuring technology, the Saturn 2 provides a layer thickness ranging from 0.01 millimeters to 0.2 millimeters. It supports resin filament, and the slicing software Chitubox ensures seamless preparation of your models for printing. With its large build volume of 62 in x4, 85 in x9, 84 in 218, 88 millimeters x 123, 12 millimeters x 250 millimeters, you have ample space to print larger scale models or multiple smaller models simultaneously. The printer's 5-inch touch screen interface offers a user-friendly experience, allowing for easy navigation and control. The Elegoo Saturn 2 is equipped with a cob light source that provides consistent and reliable curing for optimal print results. It has a power requirement of 100-240 V, making it compatible with various power systems. With its sturdy construction and compact design, the Saturn 2 is built to last while occupying minimal space. Whether you're a professional in need of precise prints or an enthusiast looking to take your projects to the next level, the Elegoo Saturn 2 3D printer offers the features and performance to meet your needs. At number 1, Creality 3's ONE+ 3D printer. The Creality 3's ONE+ 3D printer is a versatile and powerful machine that offers high-quality 3D printing capabilities. With its large maximum print size of 300x300x300, you have ample space to bring your ideas to life. The printer supports various filaments such as PLA, ABS, TU, copper, wood, carbon fiber, and gradient, giving you the flexibility to work with different materials. Equipped with a nozzle diameter of 0.4 millimeters changeable to other sizes, the printer offers a precision of 0.01 millimeters, ensuring detailed and accurate prints. The slice thickness ranges from 0.1 millimeter to 0.4 millimeters, allowing you to adjust the level of detail according to your project requirements. The Creality 3's ONE+ operates on FEM technology and is compatible with popular design software like Pro, SolidWorks, UG, 3D Max, and Rhino. The included Cura/Repetier host slice software makes it easy to prepare your 3D models for printing. With its sturdy construction and C certification, this printer offers reliable performance and safety. The power supply of 350 ensures efficient printing, and the USB interface allows for convenient connectivity. Overall, the Creality 3's ONE+ 3D printer is a great choice for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals who require a reliable and versatile 3D printing solution. Its large print size, compatibility with different filaments, and precise printing capabilities make it suitable for a wide range of applications.